Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, on a shelf filled with colorful boxes, lived a little group of board game avatars. There was Barnaby, a brave knight with shiny blue armor, Penelope, a wise owl with big round glasses, and Rosie, a cheerful fluffy bunny with long pink ears. Barnaby, Penelope, and Rosie loved playing board games together. One sunny afternoon, Barnaby had a great idea. "Why don't we show everyone how much fun board games are?" he said, his little sword gleaming. Penelope, always thinking, added, "We could make videos, like on the computer." Rosie bounced excitedly. "Yes, we can call it Adventures with Avatars." And so, they started their very own YouTube gaming channel. They set up a tiny table as their stage, with colorful blocks as scenery. Barnaby held a tiny microphone made from a button. Penelope read from a small scroll, and Rosie hopped with joy at every turn. Their first video was a simple game about rolling a big red die and moving around a flowery path. Barnaby pretended to be in a grand race, making funny gasping sounds with each roll. Penelope explained the rules in her calm, gentle voice. Rosie clapped her paws whenever they landed on a sunny spot on the board. Other toy friends from the shelf watched their video on a little toy phone. They giggled at Barnaby's silly voices and learned how to play the game from Penelope's clear instructions. Soon, more and more toy friends started watching Adventures with Avatars. For their next video, they played a game about collecting sparkling gems from a pretend river made of blue fabric. Rosie pretended to splash in the water, her fluffy fur looking extra soft in the bright light. Barnaby bravely reached for the shiny gems, and Penelope carefully counted each one. Their viewers loved seeing their happy faces and how they helped each other. They learned that even simple games could be full of fun and adventure when played with friends. One day, they played a game where they had to build a tall tower together, using small wooden blocks. Barnaby tried to put a big block on top, but it wobbled. Penelope gently suggested, "Maybe we should use the wider blocks at the bottom to make it strong." Rosie helped by carefully placing the smaller blocks on top. Working together, they built a very tall and sturdy tower. Their viewers learned that even when things seem tricky, working as a team can help you solve problems and achieve great things. After they finished playing, they smiled at the tiny camera. Penelope said in her wise voice, "Remember, friends, playing together is always more fun than playing alone." Barnaby added with a thumbs up, "And helping each other makes everything easier." Rosie gave a little wave with her fluffy paw. All the toy friends watching felt happy and learned that being kind and working together makes games, and everything else, more enjoyable. From that day on, everyone on the shelf played together more often, sharing their toys and helping each other, just like Barnaby, Penelope, and Rosie.
Please subscribe. Thank you.